this issue?
CRZ issue is what the people are apprehending. Their apprehensions are mostly where Khazan lands are there, they are shown as mangroves. So all these things have to be addressed, and I feel that public consultation is required. Right now, public is on one side, the government officers are on one side. So they need to sit together to find out a solution, because these are directions from National Green Tribunal that CZMP map has to come. Then only we can allow you to reconstruct a house, to build a new house within 500 meters of the high tide line. Within 200 also, a fisherman can build his own house, provided CZMP comes out. Coastal Zone Management Plan has to come out, but it has to come out in the way that our locals agree to it.
So in
now
consultation with people.
No, there are apprehensions. I just give you one example. Apprehensions of paddy fields shown as mangrove forest. So those apprehensions has to be addressed. There are other various apprehensions in the minds of the people. Say, I am fully with the people as far as CRZ is concerned. And coastal inhabitants have to benefit, and not the builder lobby or outside hotels. Between 200 and 500 hotels were allowed to come up. Right now they cannot come up because of NGT order. So people have to participate in this plan. But the plan has to be the way the people want, and not the officers want. People have got, the coastal people have got some apprehension that this may lead to opening up of some land for outsiders, builders or all those things. No, it should not happen like that. People have to be consulted. Right now those consultations which are come up on that draft plan, people are saying cancel the draft plan, and when the draft plan is going to come out, before that you consult us. And I strongly stand with the people for that point of theirs, because they are asking suggestion on the draft which is already prepared. The draft which is prepared is not as per the consultation of the people.